If you're still using simple memory as a memory when you're deploying your AI agents on n8n in real life use cases, then you should stop right here. And by now you already know that simple memory is not that appropriate memory because AI agent is not able to capture all the memories. And this is something which platforms like OpenAI, Sam Altman, Grok, Elon Musk, Arvind Srinivasan from Perplexity, they are all trying to solve this problem of memory from any LLMs. But here I found something which we can solve when we are building and deploying AI agents. And in this video, I'm going to be telling you that why we should stop using simple memory and start using this particular memory. Stay with me and I'll give you the clear-cut information and why we should be switching to this memory now. So here is this AI agent. I'm not going to demonstrate that how you can actually create a WhatsApp AI agent. If you want to learn, I've already recorded a video which you can find the link for it for somewhere over here. I'm not going to demonstrate in this video that how you can build and deploy this AI agent. But as you can see here, we are using simple memory. And after a certain amount, you can keep it to whatever. But we already know that we cannot use simple memory in real life use cases. So what memory should we be using? So I'll just disconnect this and keep it aside, and I'll click on this. So you'll see on the right side there are multiple other memories: MongoDB chat memory, Motorhead, Postgres chat memory, Redis, and then Zata. But here my favorite chat memory is gonna be Redis because I found a hack and I have loved it. And I'm gonna tell you why I have been loving the Redis chat memory, because it is the first thing, it is very easy to deploy. So you can see my account is already created over here. I'll show you for this connecting Redis chat memory. I'm using Upstash. This is a platform where you can actually access Redis. I'll show you how you can do that too. So all you have to do is sign up on this upstash.com, and once you log in, you land on to something like this, and you click on create a database, and something like this will open up. And here you will find your tokens and everything. All you have to do is come over here, and when you are asked for to create a credential, it will be asking for password user and the localhost and this port. So password you can find from here. If you come over here, you copy this particular URL and paste it under the password. I'll exclude the HTTPS thing and I'll just copy this and I'll paste it over here. Okay. And the user, you can find it over here. User, you can keep it blank. Localhost, you can keep it blank and check for the 6379 port number. And you have to copy the token ID and you paste it over here. And that's all you have to do. Once you are done, you can successfully connect your Redis account as I have connected. And once you have connected, I'll show you a quick demonstration of this. So let me just drag and drop this thing. And now you can actually choose a session time to live. So what the session time to live like, how long you want to keep the session time live. So for example, I want to keep it to 1800 hours. And this is the best thing for switching on to Redis chat memory is you can actually refer to like 40 last conversations. You are asking your AI agent to refer to last 40 conversations. You can also ask for last 400 and 4000. Now, you will be saying that Shruti, this is already available in sample memory and why should we switch it to Redis? I'll show you the backend. So once you have created this, if you come over here, the data browser, you can see over here the logs, right? So whatever chat you do, you get a logs over here and you can actually click on this and you can see each log over here, which is not available on simple memory first thing. On top of that, it is all referring to last 4000 conversations for us, and all these logs will be covered over here. So you can actually use it for your use cases and you can use it anywhere you want. And this is the best way to actually log the memory. I've been using it and I'll give you a quick demonstration for this as well. So for example, I've already created these sample emails from ChatGPT. What I'll do is I'll just copy this and paste it on my AI agent, the WhatsApp AI agent. This is my WhatsApp AI agent and I'm gonna be pasting all the memory, all the emails right here. So it's done. And now let's see if it has been logged in the backend or not. So you can see over here, earlier only this was there. And if I click on this new database, you can see these are the logs it has captured. So you can see it has captured the email, phone number and everything which we have just given. And let's again test if it remembers the emails I have given it or not. So I'm copying a random name and can you give me email of this person. And let's see if it replies back or not. So you can see the email address for Neha Kapoor is neha.kapoor@example.com, and it has given us the correct email ID. So that way we can check the memory of any memory tool, because memory is something which all these LLM owners, all these big names you have heard for the AI rush, they are also solving problem for platforms like OpenAI, Grok. But this is the best way I have found to solve the problem for our memory of these simple AI agents. And this will enhance, if we has it, the AI agent has the enhanced memory, it will be having more context of the conversation going on. And that's just a quick demonstration, and you can all totally use it for more use cases. Right now I have just given a quick demonstration. That was a quick demo of how you can actually enhance the memory of your AI agent, and why Redis has been my favorite out of all the chat memory we have, because it is easy to set up and easy to deploy, and it actually lots all the memories in at the backend. That's very easy for me, to someone who has no clue of coding or anything. For someone who is new into this industry, for someone who wants to deploy their AI agent, Redis, I say, is gonna be super easy for them to deploy, as it has been very easy for me to deploy as a when compared to other memories like MamboDB or anything you see on Anyden. So that's all from my end, and let me know your use cases for this memory into the comment section. Like, share and comment and subscribe to this particular video, because it motivates me to bring more such valuable content for you guys. And in return, I'm just asking you to provide me your responses in the format of like, comment, share and subscribe. And that's all, and I'll see you in the next video.